In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn tips for more success. We'll walk through a simple, proven approach that helps you get discovered, build credibility, and turn your activity into real opportunities. Start by creating a strong profile. Think of it as your professional storefront. Choose a clear, friendly headshot and a clean banner that fits your industry. Craft a headline that speaks to what you do and who you help, not just your job title. In your About section, highlight results and skills your target audience cares about, whether that's recruiters, clients, or potential partners. Keep experience entries concise and outcome focused, and add relevant skills to back up your story. Next, optimize for search so the right people can find you. Use the same keywords your audience uses, common job titles, core skills, and industry terms in your headline, About section, and experience. This helps LinkedIn's search surface your profile when recruiters or buyers look for someone like you. Follow LinkedIn best practices every day. Keep your tone professional and respectful and avoid anything that looks spammy. Personalize connection requests, be clear about your intent, and deliver value before you ask for anything. Credibility builds over time, and small, consistent actions beat aggressive outreach. Have a clear strategy and stick to it. Decide the types of roles or clients you want. Outline a simple weekly plan, such as a set number of connections, comments, and posts, and stay consistent. Consistency compounds your visibility and trust. Check your performance with LinkedIn's social selling index. Go to linkedin.com/salesssi and log in to see your score out of 100. This score gives you an at-a-glance view of how well you're using the platform to build your presence and relationships. Improve the 4 key SSI areas. Build your brand by completing your profile and sharing useful content that educates, informs, or solves a problem for your audience. Find the right people using search to connect with relevant professionals and steadily grow a focused network. Engage with content by posting updates and contributing thoughtful comments that invite conversation, which helps you earn likes and replies. Finally, build relationships by staying in touch, acknowledging milestones, and keeping interactions helpful and professional over time. The key is to keep improving these 4 areas consistently. When your profile is strong, your keywords are dialed in, your behavior is professional, and your plan is steady, LinkedIn becomes a reliable engine for opportunities. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more LinkedIn tips and tutorials.